Oh yeah, there's a red. Fish on. Oh, he got off. Oh, he's on. He's on. Oh, he's on. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Oh my goodness. Got it back out of here. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah, guys. That's a nice red. Oh, he's just taking line. Oh, he's just taking line, guys. Where is he at? I think he's right here, guys. I think he's right here, guys. Oh yeah, he's a nice one. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that girl. Oh, she's a beauty. She's a beauty, guys. Oh, come on. Oh, I got her. We got her. Oh man. Another nice fish, guys. Another nice fish. Yeah, beautiful fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Green tail. Let's go ahead and get her back in the water and get her released. Alright guys. Oh, I think I'm gonna go ahead and let her go because she's ready. Yeah, she kicked off. She's gone. She is a strong fish, man. She was not having it.